strong, striking, and almost prehistoric. The yucca plant looks like it belongs in a desert dreamscape, and maybe it does. But today, it thrives in minimalist apartments, cozy homes, and sunlit balconies around the world. It's sculptural, it's bold, and it doesn't beg for your attention, yet it gets it anyway. Here's something you might not expect. Some species of yucca can live over a century. And when they are truly content, they send up giant stalks of creamy white flowers, sometimes up to 3 meters tall. You don't see that every day. So, what makes this spiky plant so special? And why might it be perfect for your space? Let's take a closer look. Yucca is native to dry, sun-baked regions of North and Central America, particularly the deserts of the southwestern United States and parts of Mexico. In its natural environment, it grows in rocky soils, under intense sun, often surrounded by cactus, sand, and sky. Yet somehow, it carries that wild spirit into even the most modern spaces. Its thick, sword-shaped leaves are not just for show. They store moisture, making the plant incredibly drought-tolerant. And the strong, woody stem helps it stand tall, even when the conditions are harsh. Yucca isn't just a plant, it's a presence. It fits perfectly in boho interiors, Scandinavian minimalism, and even corporate lobbies. And while it looks tough, there's something calm and grounding about having a yucca around. Yucca plants can also be propagated through stem cuttings, a method widely used in commercial production. Mature stems are carefully cut, and the exposed surface is treated with a rooting hormone or protective paste to prevent infection. After a short drying period, these cuttings are planted in the soil, where new shoots eventually emerge from dormant buds. Over time, your plant's leaves may start to turn yellow. You can gently remove them by hand. Sometimes, while doing this, parts of the plant might break off at the nodes. Instead of throwing them away, try planting those pieces in moist soil. They can grow into new little yuccas, just like the one you see here. Yuccas adore bright light. Place it near a south or west-facing window. A few hours of direct sunlight daily is ideal, but it can also handle bright indirect light. Just stay away from dark corners, your plant won't enjoy it. Watering is where most people go wrong. Yuccas hate wet feet. Water deeply, then let the soil dry out completely before watering again. In winter, you might water only once a month. Fast draining soil is key. A cactus or succulent mix works great. Avoid anything heavy or moisture retentive. Use a pot with drainage holes. Always. Yuccas are prone to root rot if left in standing water. Let's take a quick look at repotting. These plants grow slowly indoors. Repot every 2 to 3 years or when roots start showing through the drainage holes. Thankfully, yuccas are pest resistant, but in rare cases you might see spider mites or scale. A simple wipe with a damp cloth or neem oil usually solves the issue. Caution: yucca is mildly toxic to cats and dogs if ingested. Best to keep it out of reach of curious chewers. So, whether you are looking to bring desert vibes into your home, add an easy care plant to your collection, or simply enjoy a touch of raw, natural elegance, the yucca is a stunning choice. Quiet, bold, resilient, just like the best things in life. Do you already have a yucca at home, or maybe you are thinking about getting one? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about your plant journey. And if this video helped you learn something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a fellow plant lover.